Okay, let's go ahead and move on to page C7 for number 9. If sine 3x equals 1, and it wants to know what the value of sine squared x cosine squared x is. So we need to know what x is going to be. Now we can do that. We know that sine at some angle is equal to 1. And we know that angle then is going to be equivalent to 90. But I still have 3x, so 3x is equal to 90, which means x is going to be equal to 30. So if I plug that value in, we're going to get sine at 30 squared multiplied by cosine at 30 squared. And then we're multiplying those together. So sine at 30 is 1/2, so this is going to be 1/4. Cosine at 30 is square root of 3 over 2 squared, so square root of 3 over 2 squared. This is equal to 3 over 4. So we're going to have 1 over 4 times 3 over 4, which is going to be equal to 3 over 16. And if we put that in decimal form, that's going to be equal to 0.19, which is going to be answer choice B. So the correct answer to number 9 is going to be B, 0.19.